If the person.
Yes.
I'd like to mention item number 51. Consent has been taken on the other side and speculatively identified
51.
even the last hearing.
Yes.
Once we have been out with our vacation, the date may be fixed. That's why only.
On the prayer of Mr. Arjay, that's not done. Well, not opposed to by the others. But it's a job. It is appeal, so it's all those on.
Deeply offended.
Definitely, Your Lordship. Also, yesterday I was also with the consent and with giving item number 39, madam. For today's list, madam.
Yes, when we want.
After madam, case in that.
On the prayer of Mr. N. Bora, learned counsel for the appeal, opposed to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned. To be listed again with the ensuing petition.
Much.
That's why making mention for listing of the appeals for listing on Monday.
What's the urgency?
Urgency is here because without my representation, UPSC has rendered advice and which is now causing prejudice to me. That is why that is the urgency. Monday.
Let's have it on Wednesday. Have it on Wednesday. There are a lot of matters on Monday.
That's tomorrow, Monday. Kindly.
No, we understand. Please also understand the fact that there are many other cases also fixed on that date. So if you pile up the entire thing, case runs into hundreds, you might not reach. Wednesday. Wednesday.
Similar prayer writ appeal Lordship on 17th Lordship witness.
Yes.
May I please also? I'd like to mention my lord, item 29 to 32, my lord. I pray for accommodation, my lord, and it may fix on 23rd of July, my lord.
May it please your lordship.
You're for the,
We are for the appellants. my lord.
you're for the appellate.
Yes.
Mr. Chamua,
My lord,
can you wait for a moment with
my lord,
one
my
matter
lord,
being checked?
my lord, my lord. I'm so sorry.
You've taken the consent?
Yes, yes.
Okay, on the prayer made by Mr.
Be broadcast.
B. Prokashta, learned counsel for the appellant. You know, objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned to be listed again on 23/7.
23rd.
23/7.
23rd.
Yes, Mr. Chamua.
My lord, I'm so sorry, my lord. Item is there's a series from starting from item 2 to 17.
Yes.
My lord, in this series, my lord, the first matter
No.
is perhaps my matter. I
The six-
came to Surat, my lord, in a matter yesterday and stuck up in Surat in a very extraordinary circumstance because of the ill health of my driver. I cannot leave him alone here and I cannot get back to Gauhati. It's a very
Okay.
extraordinary circumstance, my lord. My sincere apology before your lordships, my lord. My sincere apology, my lord.
No, that's
I
okay,
cannot.
Mr. Chamua.
But this matter was also at the same time very important and urgent also. If I may pray for a date, my lord, if according to your lordship's convenience, my lord.
What about
This
the
is
other
a
side?
serious, the serious matters I can understand, my lord.
The item starts from 6
Yes, 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 my lord.
6 to 17.
6 to 17, my lord.
What does it say? Circulated. 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 Yeah. There's more. Mr. Chamwa,
Madam,
there is an administrative order
madam,
by which this matter has been directed to be listed before this bench.
madam, I can appreciate it, madam.
And of course, you have your difficulty there. But you have circulated the adjournment slip.
In the afternoon, my lord.
It is only signed by the, it is only for this item number 6.
Yes, my lord.
But
Where I
these
am, my lord.
matters are a serious matter.
My lord, my lord.
There are 7 to 17 also.
My lord, my lord.
Anybody is there in this matter?
Yes, my lord. I am in item number 6, my lord.
6.
Yes.
You have no objection to the adjournment, isn't it?
My lord, otherwise I may be segregated also, my lord.
Mr. Goswami is also here in this matter.
I can.
8 and 10.
Yes, decided that research institutes are part of the decision. But the Supreme Court has referred that case to a ninth bench step. And I am told that that matter has been heard and there has been decided. Therefore, I leave it to your lordship. But that's the point to which I go for.
All right, all right. In any case, today we cannot take up. There's an adjournment sought for. And since sorry, it was reserved.
Matter has been heard by 9 days.
Okay.
So might as well wait and see what.
So we post this matter after the vacation, as and when this bench is available.
My lord.
This bench is there only till tomorrow. Next week, somebody else will be there. So since there's an administrative order,
For 4-5 days this month, before another bench.
okay. But now, Mr. Goswami, there's an administrative order saying that it should be listed before us.
Yes, that's not here.
So, okay. Please, right?
Last petition, I made one prayer to segregate my matters. It was lordship directed to consider on the next day. So
Which matter is there?
item number 14.
At this stage, we will not segregate any matter, Mr. Council. We will leave the prayer open. Okay. Mr. A. Chamwa, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent numbers 4 and 5 in writ appeal number 34 of 2026. Are you there in other case also?
No, my lord.
Submits that he has some personal difficulty to appear before the court today physically. And prays that the matter may be adjourned to another date. So we have seen that the number of writ appeals have been clubbed together, along with writ appeal number 34 of 2026. And that apart, there is an administrative order from the Honorable Chief Justice by which the present matters have been assigned to this bench. Stop. Considering the fact that this bench is available only till 12th of June 2026. While accepting the prayer for adjournment, we direct the registry to list this matter after the ensuing summer vacation, as and when this bench is available. All right.
So that judgment result on 93.
Do you have the reference of that judgment? Do you have the reference of those cases?
Why I don't know what I am doing.
Okay, one more line. Mr. P.K. Goswami, learned senior counsel, appearing for one of the parties in the instant series, submits that a similar issue has been dealt with by nine judges bench of the apex court, and the same has been reserved for judgment. Considering the same, the parties are at liberty to apprise the court about the outcome of the case before the apex court by the next date. Yes.
I'm deeply obliged. I'm deeply obliged.
Madam, with the consent of others, I beg to mention item number 36. I'm led by senior counsel M.K. Chaudhary. There is some difficulty. Let it come on 17 June.
Item 36. Seventeen.
17-6.
You want it on 6?
I'm appearing for the response.
And a prayer for adjournment has been made by Mr.
And Sharma.
N. Sharma, learned counsel, appearing for the appellant, stating that he is led by Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel in the matter. And since he has some personal difficulty, he prays that the matter be adjourned and be posted again on 17th of June 2026. Since there is some urgency. We say prayers not opposed to by the other side. Accordingly, this is the matter on 17/6.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I put declare for listing in motion matter, writ petition, Your Lordship, on tomorrow, Your Lordship, after service appears. And I have challenged the auction notice, date fixed for auction notice on 16/6. Tomorrow, Your Lordship.
16, what is happening on 16/6?
16 fixed for schedule of e-auction date.
You have it on 15, 11 on Monday, not tomorrow.
Published.
With the consent of the other side, I would like to mention item 38.
Yes. 13th
38.
or 38. Yes, what do you want?
It may be taken after the issue.
You're for the petitioner. What is the difficulty today?
This matter was heard by the Honorable Chief Justice. The matter was heard by the Honorable Chief Justice, and the reply has to be given by the bank.
Good. Okay, let's wait for by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Let the matter be listed after the summer vacation on a date to be fixed by the registrar. Forty, 40. 40. Yes, what do you want? Uh, 36 also, he was there, so. On the request made on behalf of Mr. M. K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, who is said to have some personal difficulty. Prepared for the court today, the matter stands set. To be listed again after the ensuing. Yes, after some of the days. Do that.
Orders, Article 19.
Ms. Begum, you have received the paper book?
Lordship, we have,
Not received.
Lordship, it may be in the office, Lordship, I'll inquire.
DPS received, yes.
Notice on respondent number two, any
Lordship, we have awaited Lordship. This. Section D, section 5.
On the service yet not completed, madam.
L. Gogoi is for the appellant.
My lord.
When can you tell us about the service?
My lord, next week.
Now, thing is that, well, whether Mr. Gogoi has received the paper book,
My lord, I can confirm from him, my lord.
there's only one acknowledgement here. The additional TP. There's a seal, otherwise, for the appellant, there's no acknowledgement.
In that case, he has not received that, my lord.
None appears for the appellant when the matter is called. Star or Kaushik Lanet, additional TP is submitted. Paid for the state is present and submits that. He may be given a week's time
Sir, I want a copy of
to inform the court about the status of notice to respond number 2. It is also seen that the paper book has been furnished to the office of the additional people. But there is an extra copy of the paper book. Which perhaps may be meant for the appellant. Be that as it may, let it be listed again after a week. Yes.
My lord, will have been preparing and dealing counsel, my lord. There was passed for the LCR, but both for the LCR, my lord.
PCR not received.
Check.
You have to send a reminder.
The one I know.
Please note dated 9/6.
I have petition for suspension of the execution of sentence, but my lord, it may be heard after receiving the paper book.
Please note dated 9/6/2026. Indicates that the trial court records have not been received yet. Staff office to send a reminder. And to list the matter immediately on receipt of the TC.
All this on the one. But to address is not found, my lord.
Huh?
It's just an necessary to submit on the case. Please have a seat. 1500.
Consumer. Who is respondent number two, otherwise?
My lord, the respondent number two, this case is not the POCSO Act, my lord. Is this not so? That's why my lord, accused appellant convicted under section 376 1, my lord. That's why no need to, earlier order was passed, no need to serve the notice. Respondent number two, earlier order was passed.
On which date?
11/24/4, my lord.
24/4.
Not necessary to issue notice again, my lord. This was.
But
also
please
not
tell us the order date. Order date.
That's 24/4,
24/4 doesn't say anything about that.
26, my lord.
Huh?
Sorry, that this was not available, my lord. For 3 times already notice issued, but my lord. So this is, as this is the case of the 376 1, my lord, that's the earlier order passed and not necessary to issue notice again, my lord.
That was passed in which, by which order? Dated?
24/4/26, I think.
Or 24/4/26 doesn't say anything. It says TCR is not arrived, await TCR, that's all. Consider this.
Yes, sir.
Let the TCR know. After a week.
That's it. Okay, thank you.
So the item number 19, I'm happy.
Appearing for? Huh? Appellant.
I'll go, Mr. I'll go.
Item 19, you write. Later on, Mr. L. Gogoi learned amicus curiae for the appellant has appeared. And a copy of the paper book is handed over to you. Give him a copy. Next.
That paper, it's not ready to take.
He's right. Office note dated 9/6/2026 indicates that due to heavy pendency of caseload, heavy pendency of fixed cases, paper book could not be prepared. And therefore, for that time, some more time has been sought for. Under the circumstance, we let the matter be listed after the ensuing summer vacation. In the meantime, the registry shall proceed to prepare the paper. Give a date. End of July. Of 37.
No, item number 23, minus I have taken a plea of juvenility, my lord. And I was supposed to file objection, my lord, but somehow my lord, wrongly mentioned the date, my lord, for fixed date. By tomorrow I will file it, otherwise it is prepared.
Objection to the IA.
Yes, but they have taken a plea of juvenility.
Just two I know. One
Two
I
I.
is suspension and one I is for taking juvenile.
You know the IA is which one?
1169.
Mr. Is right, Mr. R. Koshik Lanet, addition PPSR. Something that you may be given for the 2 days time to file objection to the to IA criminal number 1169 of 2025. Wherein the applicant has pleaded juvenility. There is allowed. This again. After a week. Yes. Or we have it after the summer vacation. Give a date. List again of 22
Objection.
Yes.
Lordship, we have not filed the objection. We'll file it, Lordship. 4 weeks, Lordship.
You have not filed?
Lordship, somehow it is missed, Lordship.
No, what have you not filed?
Objection, Lordship.
the
Written
IA?
objection. Lordship.
Okay, Miss A. Begum, run it additional to the Sam. Place for further, how much time?
4 weeks, Lordship.
Further 4 weeks time to file objection to the IA.
Lordship.
Praise the Lord.
Paper book.
Then what about the paper book? Have you received?
We have received, Lordship.
You have received?
Objection we have not. No, paper book.
You have not received?
No.
There's an extra copy. Wow. You are the amicus or what? You are the amicus?
I know, Lordship. Legal and counsel.
For the appellant.
Yes, sir.
What's your good name?
Yes, let me.
Okay. This meeting learned legal and counsel and pay for the appellant. Submits that she has not received a copy of the paper book. It is seen that there's an extra copy of the paper book in the report. And the same is handed over to her. Give it to her now. List again. After vacation, after 1 month.
Your paper book is ready. We have filed our objection, but nobody is appearing for the appellant. Ujjwal.
No one is appointed.
Oh, Ujjwal Chaudhary's name is shown.
Is the legal aid counsel
Yes.
or amicus?
Not showing as a legal aid counsel. Neither as an amicus.
What is he? He's a legal aid counsel.
He is.
Give us which file? Give us item 24.
25 today. G10
Give us 25.
He might not have received a copy of the paper book.
He has not received this PB3. Mr. Ujjwal, Mr. U. Chaudhary, learned legal aid counsel for the appellant is absent. It is seen that there is also an extra copy of the paper book. And therefore, it appears that the paper book has not been collected by you. Miss Deepuya, learned additional PPS is present. And she submits that she has received a copy of the paper. Send to the. List again after the ensuing sum of the people. In time, the legal aid counsel for the appellant may paper of the registry. This is POCSO.
Yes, probably service. I'm not aware of whether steps have been taken or not.
You apprise the court on the next day.
My lord.
If we have not had section, we shall apprise the court about the next. Speaks up to the small number by the next.
26.
And the respondent or respondent.
Service complaint.
Yesterday only I filed the wakalat Tamar. That's why the name is not appearing.
Your good name?
T. Mujumdar, Tomna Mujumdar.
Mr. T. Majumdar, learned counsel, submits that he has instructions to appear on behalf of the respondent. And he has filed his power
Wakalat
yesterday.
yesterday.
Did you, Papa? Let the matter be listed when?
After vacation.
After vacation.
After the vacation. Showing the name of Mr. So-and-so in the cost list. You want a date?
Yes.
Give a date.
Sorry, I have not received the paper.
You're for 27. Paper book is not yet.
We are not prepared yet.
Not prepared.
It is seen that the paper book has been received from the trial court. But the registry is therefore directed to prepare the paper book expeditiously and prepare and list the matter
Oh, I see.
when after completion of the paper book.
Prohibition one.
I signed the last occasion to obtain certain instructions. But in fact, what happened? The petitioner has closed its court against the order of recovery made for fraudulent withdrawal of huge amount to the tune of 3.30 crores. Connivance of the FCA officials who has made over certification of what was much less than the payment was made. This is the connivance, the fraudulent trial was made. So, on the query was made, why we have not taken any action against those persons, officers who has made the over certification. So, my lord, I have obtained an instruction. Lordship, kindly have a look at this. Kindly put it on again. Ready to go?
Yes.
Madam. And my lord. Lord, huge amounts are yet to be recovered. Lord, in fact, 117 workers earlier approached this court while making making a same challenge against the order of recovery. In the earlier batch of writ petitions, the order was set aside and given us the liberty to hold and quell. There is no order to make refunds. This time, the Royal Single Judge said, hold an inquiry, but make the refund. The amount is huge, my lord, and employees are retiring. The Lord should kindly have a look at the status of those cases, my lord. No, my lord, we cannot make recovery. That's the problem, my lord. The amount is huge. So my prayer is very simple, my lord. Lordship will only grant us some time to hold an inquiry, then my lord, the last order, the inclusion order is passed in about a year back. When we could wait for the amount. Let us hold an inquiry and after that, because all other cases recovery is made. All of them from other employees, recovery has been made. They have to, all of them challenge the same order. But in these cases, you made recovery for remand first. That is the inconsistent order. Earlier writ petitions were disposed of. Lordship will find that hold an inquiry only. This time said you make the refund first. So that is the amount is used, and the royal is fraudulent, connivance with the FCA employees. We have taken the action against the FCI employees. Recovery from them also ordered. So if the refund is made, the employees are retiring, but most of them have retired. So they are staying outside the state, but Bihar and other places. It's very difficult to make it go. The public fund is involved, huge amount, 30 crores, excess draw.
Mr. Roy,
The prayer is only allow us to give us some time frame to hold the inquiry, maybe 1 month.
you have already made the recovery, isn't it?
Yes, we've already, that's right,
You have already made the recovery.
we recover,
Learned single judge says that you pay the amount
pay them, that is.
and then you do you go for the inquiry.
That's there. So
That-
in other
that you have-
cases, no order was passed. Only
Understand?
order was, that's the inconsistent order.
Yeah, we understand. So what is to be done now at this
So
stage?
Worship will grant us a time frame to hold the inquiry, maybe 1 month, they can wait for 1 month. What is the harm, sir? The order was passed 1 year back.
But what is the stage of the inquiry? You have not started yet.
We're not, no, we're not, in other cases, because of the order passed, we could not.
We could not.
So we.
Because you had to first refund the amount,
That,
then only you could do
that's
the,
very difficult, because
how much,
admittedly fraudulent.
how much are you to refund otherwise?
That is, will not to be a certain.
No, so for these cases is not much.
If not much, then will not, what is the, will not, if not much, then will not, let us know, amount is fraudulent. Access certification.
No, it appears that they have already made up a mind that what will be the fate of the inquiry.
Because all of them challenge the same order and other order. So will not, public money will not, 1 month will not, heaven will not fall, will not, they can wait.
They
for
have
1
made up a mind that is the fraudulent, all these things.
Because the earlier batch of writ petitions, same order was passed.
Let it come up on Wednesday.
Wednesday.
All right, Mr. Dasgupta.
Wednesday. Hold on.
Mr. P.K. Roy, Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the appellant, bracket FCI, submits that he has received some instructions of the matter. Mr. Dasgupta, Learned Senior Counsel appears for the respondents. Could you find out the actual amount?
I'll do that. By this time,
On being asked as to whether, as to how much has to be refunded to the respondents, bracket writ petitioners by the FCI in terms of the direction of the learned senior judge. Mr. P.K. Roy, Learned Senior Counsel, submits that. He may be given some time to find out the amount. Next matter considering the matter that is again on 17th June 2026. All right. Wednesday,
17.
17th.
These are analogous matter. I once time recently I received some other judgment. The stand of the respondent is the text was recently passed in judgment. But is it not a straight jacket formula? In this matter, my case is slightly different. To convince my argument, I will be required now.
Okay. When you want it.
Otherwise, Lordship,
After reopening, with them.
otherwise, Lordship, there is no dispute regarding grant of disability pension. Here, the petitioners are receiving disability pension and they have been granted the rounding of benefit, that is from the date to the specific date, 2016. Whereas the Honorable Tribunal had directed that they should be receiving the rounding of benefit from the date of their discharge or from the date when they were granted disability. That was the, and that issue has already been settled by the Honorable Supreme Court. That's of petitions. Lordship,
When should it be from?
2001.
Should it be from 2016 or from the date that they were discharged?
No, that subsequent.
What has the Supreme Court said?
Supreme Court said that from the, if the person has been receiving without any lordship interference, then he will receive from that date, the rounding of benefit.
And in the my case, it's different, not because
Then lordship-
pursuant to these tribunals or the he is receiving now.
What it after the vacation? Mister? UK goes to our council for the issue next. You know, host by Dubai. Korea by Dubai. And then we're after some occasion. On a particular date? You want a date?
Any date, I'll have to remove it.
27, sir.
All right, lords.
Petitioner hearing were appointed in 1999.
Service matter.
Yes, submit to change.
Yes, yes.
So the petitioners were appointed in the year 1999. Lordship will find the appointment of Twitter at page 17. Page 17.
How many petitioners are there?
Three.
Three. Three appellants. Your writ petition was dismissed.
Yes.
Not true. Page 17 is the appointment, initial appointment. They were appointed against village sanction post.
Yes.
Page 17 is a widow Decca victim number 1 and 21 and 25. What the appointment letters? They are appointed in village sanction post. That is sanction post number is also mentioned in the appointment order of appointment. Got it?
Yes.
Sanction number also given in the appointment letter. Thereafter, the GPF contribution also taken for the petitioner, page 21, 28, 31, and 32. Petitioner has a GPF account, page 28. The GPF account.
Yes.
Page 28, 31, and 32. The appellant GPF account.
In 2009, lawsuit, their service were terminated by the TCO.
2009,
2009,
after 10 years.
after 10 years. Page 33, 34 and 35. You will find page 33. Page 33, 34 and 35. Hereafter, petitioner has approached this honorable court by filing petition. The petition was dismissed, and thereafter writ appeal has been tried. Page 36 is the order of the writ. Page 42 is the relevant portion. Page 45 also will find. Page that copy at page 40. That's it. That copy page 40. Now, Lordship will I'll take your Lordship to the page 41. Third paragraph. Counsel appearing for petition authority that policy decision has been taken. The person receiving regular salary for the month of 2000 to March 2006 would be regularized, and implementation of the policy is in process. Government of Assam also agreed to the said policy. Lordship,
Yes.
hereafter, Lordship, petitioner's service has been reinstated in service. Termination has been withdrawn. Lordship will find page 47. In person to the release order. Page 47. Lordship, got it.
Yes.
Lordship, in pursuant to the Honorable Gauhati High Court judgment of 60 2025, passed in writ appeal number 92, batch in which case Mr. Filed, ultimately, hereby termination has been withdrawn and is regularized, reinstated as accepted. Lordship, got it. Thereafter, all the three appeals have been reinstated up to page 49
By separate orders.
by separate order. And accordingly, petitioner has submitted joining report, page 50 onwards,
50 onwards.
50, 51, and 52.
Yes. That,
Hereafter, Lordship, again, another order has been passed, page 54. That they have been regularized again from 2022. Page 54,
what is this? 54?
again regularized, Lordship, by the petitioner.
Regularized.
Again regularized.
When were they regularized earlier?
Lordship, that is why, Lordship.
You're saying again. So when's the first time?
This is first time.
If it's first time, then how it is again regularized?
Again regularized, page 54.
Which is
First
the
regulation.
first regulation?
First regulation, last October 2015. Page 47.
But you said this is a reinstatement.
Restatement and regularized and reinstated.
What is regularized?
And
Oblique
reinstated.
reinstated. So it is 2 in 1.
Lordship. Last October 2015.
Okay.
All the three appeal has been regularized. Again, Lordship, by order dated 13th September 2022. Page
Eight.
54.
Page 54. Yes.
The service, Lordship, middle portion.
Yes.
Service of Umidor Deka SFHR, who was reinstated in service. Right memo number Iman, dated 1st October issued from this office, hereby regularized as a teacher scale of pay Iman and posted in different school now. Lordship, got it?
Yes.
All the three appellant has been reinstated, again regularized by order dated 30 September 2022. But in between this time, 2015 to 22, petitioner has not been paid its salary. And accordingly, petitioner has approached the honorable court, and this court held that petitioner was reinstated in service not on valid sanction post, so they are not entitled for salary. That is why the Honorable Single Judge has dismissed the petition that they were not appointed in valid sanction post. But earlier I have shown that we have been appointed in a valid sanction post, initial appointment order. We are appointed valid sanction post. Without considering this fact, the single judge has held noticeable fine page 5060, page 561 impute judgment.
561.
561 impute judgment. All the cases have been taken together without considering the actual facts. Bets of repetition have been dismissed. Does it got it? 561.
Yes.
11 portion I will take your lordship. Page 588.
Yes.
Lordship will find page 586 till 11 portion.
588.
586.
586.
586, 11 portion, 21, Roman 21, 586, Roman 21. That's it, got it?
Yes.
Court cannot remain oblivion that the coordinate bench and in non-ambiguous term held that appointment made in favor of the petitioner without any sanction post. To give effect to such policy of regulation of service, illegally appointed teacher post to a regular to be created and sanctioned, which can only be done by the state of Assam, not only in terms of the memorandum of settlement, but also by the region of finance is not transferred subject. Therefore, due salary can be paid only when petitioner are regularized, absorbed in government due process of law. That is why lordship petitioner has not been entitled for salary. That is the ground. But petitioners were admittedly on a valid sanction post. Other petitioner I do not know, but we are on valid sanction post. And we have been working in this school since 2015, 2022, thereafter from 2022 till date. At present, we are getting the regular scale of pay, but only between 2015, first of 2015 to 22, we have not been paid salary. We have approached this court and this court dismissed that we are not appointed on valid sanction post. But admittedly, we are in valid sanction. Already, lordship, similar writ appeal has been filed by me for other appeal and admitted.
That's been admitted.
Yes, there are, yes, number of writ appeals are pending for the court.
Your claim is for the salary
Salary only,
from this,
15 to 20.
Submitted that all the matters were taken up together, although they were different matters.
Different because
Now,
some lordship,
you had appeared in the writ petition
lordship,
and you had argued
lordship,
all of them as a
lordship,
batch.
I'm sorry to say, lordship, only please, lordship, I'm not appearing in it.
I saw the name of the council reflected,
Or other petition lordship,
we have an order of the other petition,
lordship, I have
other appeals.
one.
Into this, 309? 309?
309 of 309 and this is lordship 370 of 25. So it has not been formally stated, but everything has been discussed.
I think one of them has not been admitted yet.
One can not be, one to the school.
It appeal 370.
Yes,
If you all agree, we club it together with that matter.
Lordship is going to admit it.
Not at part. Some cases are OBB teacher. Some of the common judgments is disposed of. They are OBB teacher. After completion of basic training, their service has been regularized. These are not.
The 370, 25? 25.
Three
One and
seventy,
Gauhati.
25 has been already.
Yes.
No, admit person I have to verify, huh?
Uh,
Subject to correction.
Yeah.
My lord.
Therefore, the BTC
I'm for BTC.
and state.
Finance Department, the Bigo, he appeared on the last occasion, not on last occasion, before the single judge.
This has come for the first.
They are to be hard because the finance is not a transfer subject to BTC, Your Lordship. And their contention is that they were walking against non-existent posts on the previous occasion before 2022. Financial approval was not granted by Government of Assam. So, Your Lordship, the payment of salary could not be made.
We admit the appeal
My lord.
and post it on 17. We'll not club together. We'll release it separately.
17.
SK Usam.
Let's give the following also for the writ appellants. Submits that. Agree with the common judgment in order dated 14/7/2025. Asked by the Lord's civil judge in WPC number 6020/2017. Amongst others. The instant appeal has been filed. What was your writ petition number?
Petition number 5739 of 2017.
Laureate Council submits that. Wait. Not Council submits that the instant writ appellants were the petitioners in WPC number 5739 of 2017. And by the impugned judgment in order, the appellants have been denied of their area salary. From the date of the reinstatement / regularization on 1/10/2015. To 30/9/2022. On which date they were again regularized. So, referring to the initial appointment order. Mr. Tommy, learned counsel submits that the petitioners, the appellants, in fact, were indeed appointed against
Elite sanction.
valid sanction post. And therefore, they are entitled to the bare allowances on the date of their initial appointment. Stop the learned counsel. Publish that similarly situated persons have also approached this court to by filing writ appeal. And one such case is WA number 370 of 2025. But he submits that the appeal P70 has not been admitted.
Needed yet.
Directly it has been recorded, but
Another writ appeal is also pending 309/2025. Ganesh Narjari and 13 others.
What did I say last?
Or Sabaniklo. 30955. Because okay. Different. Plus one, the one. Commission rules in the one that we will not also.
Honorable Court, at the time of moving the revision stays, I had put an expert that he admit this.
Admitted?
That
Just a,
it appeal.
just a.
In the typing out the approximately column regarding admit the appeal take this part of the.
Yes, it's not there, that's why.
Oh, about. A John. No, a John has. ये संजय मेरे साथ तब भाग्य जो से मिलते
The separate appeal was taken up on 2/6/2026. And is scheduled to be listed again on 17/7/2026. Next matter, considering the above objection, let the appeal be admitted. Issue notice to the respondents. Available by 17/7/2026. It's being line at senior counsel and standing counsel. BTC except notice on, I mean, appears for the
Oh, hi.
BTC
For R,
respondents. And
R4 to
Miss
10, your lordship, M. Borgohain.
M. Borgohain, London Council accepts notice on behalf of the BTC respondent number
4 to 10, your lordship.
4 to 10, numbers 4 to 10. Start copies of the furnished to her, her within.
Already given us, I'll get expected.
Lordship, there are other respondents. The Education Department Council and Department of Finance, the WPT.
Okay, where are they, right? Page number,
Lordship, page 3.
page 3.
Yes.
Then you write one line, extra copies be furnished within 3 days. Then State of Assam will appear.
There was something.
Miss M. Bhattacharjee, learned
But yeah, me.
additional senior government.
Then finance.
You'll appear for?
Lordship,
One maybe.
no, Lordship.
Education
actually,
Department
Education
Council.
Department, Lordship, elementary education.
The number 2 is finance and 3 WPTP.
Three, Lordship. Better, yes, Lordship. Kindly record Arthur's name, Lordship, for I am respond number 3.
Okay, you cancel that. Mr. Arthur, London Council appears. Respond number 2. You'll not be appearing for anyone.
No, Lordship. Finance, Lordship. I'm just calling there.
Who's the council for finance? Give one name.
B. Gogoi.
Mr. P. Gogoi, Learned, SC Finance. Accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 2. Then the education elementary,
Education, elementary. K. Das Krishna Shridas. Elementary education, K. Das.
SM teachers. We'll record Mr. Chisti's name. Mr. SM3 Chisti, Learned, Standing Council. Elementary education accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1. Extra copies will be furnished to the Learned Councils appearing for the respondents within 2 days.
Lordship, kindly record Mr. D. Gogo's name, Lordship.
Already
Already
recorded.
recorded.
Oh,
And for elementary,
Elementary,
Mr. Chisti.
Chisti. Ardhar for WPD.
okay.
List again on 17/7/2026.
That PDF looks.
Lordship, hard copy.
Hard copy, I have-
Voluminous petition.
I have given already 2 copies. of
PDF again, I'll take out the prints.
PDF, they will communicate the department. Already I have given this copy, 2 copies to my friends. I'll say PDF. Because now everything is on e-file.
You're still on a physical file. You are on a physical file.
Apply this. Highly apply.
Yeah, please.
Matching another P. You're for the respondent,
Yes, Lordship, I am for the caveat, Lordship.
the creator,
Yes, Lordship.
and you're the wife.
Yes, Lordship.
What happened in the family court?
Lordship, family court allowed my prayer declaring that the talaq pronounced by the husband is not valid
I
and
see.
as per due procedure, and the same is declared as null and void.
Talaq is null and void. Who's the counsel for the appellant? Last time also no one appeared.
Sahewal.
Huh?
Senior counsel Sahel.
Mr. Sayawal.
Yes, Lordship.
Five names alone. Went to the mediation also. None appears for the appellant by this person. Same was the case when the matter was listed on 25/2026. Mr.
M. Hussain on behalf of R. Ali.
Mr. Hussain, learned counsel appears on behalf of Mr. Arani, who represents the respondent. Next, idea of matters that is Ms. Mullah.
Deeply obliged. Lordship.
Lordship, in this case, learned advocate general is appearing, Lordship, he is time. Time being. Lordship.
This item 33. Age is appearing with matter.
Yes, Lordship, he is on legs, Lordship, right now.
It happened on Wednesday,
Wednesday.
17th, after vacation.
Senior counsel is from team.
I see. So you want a date also?
If it is possible not today, because he'll be here. Tomorrow.
Okay. So you want it after the summer vacation? And you want a date? Otherwise, see if he's out of station, will be convenient for him to have a date.
15th or 16th of July, otherwise for August or 6th or 7th.
That's paid for by the party. Matter stand central to be listed again on
16th of July or 6th of August.
December charging. 16th of July,
Lordship.
16th of July.
Deeply open.
Who's there for the appellant? HRA Chaudhary.
Totally. Junior was there a few minutes back, fellowship. Inform they'll do.
Conviction under?
66 of Foxo.
Now, what about the uh, respondent
My learned friend is happy.
complaint? Oh, you're there. We have what to do. We
Lordship. He's there.
Timing.
okay. He's ready with this matter. Okay, time being there.
Please, leave your Lordship. Lordship, may I pray? Lordship, yesterday only I have been asked to appear, Lordship. So I just want to go through this, Lordship. So kindly take up next week, Lordship, if possible.
Service method.
Lordship.
No dismissal. Who is appearing? Mr. Ken Chaudhary. TJ Mantal. Mr. TJ Mantal and his senior counsel appearing for the writ appellant is said to be on legs in a different court. And a prayer for adjournment for the time being is being sought on his behalf. However, Ms. M. Bhattacharjee, London Additional Senior Governor Advocate, appearing for the state, submits that she has just been asked to appear in the matter. And therefore she requires some time to prepare the matter. In view of above, let the matter be listed. When do you want it?
Lordship, next week,
Next week?
Lordship. Other than Monday and Lordship.
I'm ready.
You have it after the vacation?
Will be because before vacation it will not be
It's
possible.
not possible. Give a date. 16/7.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Matter pertaining the promotional benefit. Lordship, the last provision benefit and implemented Lordship 8/12/2025 Lordship. Kind of. 8/12/2025 Lordship. The instruction given to the standing council of the receive Lordship. So hearing Lordship, there are only the 6 number other employee laws. And they were terminated, but they got the benefit, promotional benefit. The year of 1994. So other employee, they have entitled the all benefits losses. Why not happy and loss? Yes, lordship. What instruction? So hearing lordship, the not for direct lordship, the judgment at 8/12/2025 lordship. So strictly directed lordship. So whether the other 6 person. So the department responsible lordship in this regard lordship. So initially code is directed to the department lordship. Subsequently, you were required to furnish the information. So is a possible is a wrongly directed lordship. Yes, lordship. So the department responsibility lordship, the 6 other employee lordship. Lordship, kindly find lordship the 8/12/2025 lordship. 8/12. Here it will define lordship. The land additional senior government advocate seeks some time to take necessary instruction from the department regarding the status of the other 6 employees whose services were terminated, but the terminated order was set aside. So subsequently, dated lordship, the honorable court directed to me regarding this, whether the 6 employee has terminated or not. So this is the department responsible in this regard, lordship. Kindly find lordship. 8/12/2025.
There are 2 orders. 2 orders. First order is the government council. Second order is yours. Both of you are supposed to get some information about these 6 persons. Do you have, question is, do you have the information or not?
No, lordship.
You don't have the information.
Not collecting in. The government responsible lordship. And PS 46 lordship. This lordship, WBC number 5900 lordship. The delivered part of it. PS 46 lordship. And 46 my details. The termination order was set aside lordship. PS 46 lordship. The start from the second paragraph. The catful background.
Just a minute. Your writ petition was dismissed.
Yes, lordship.
Now, what the parties here?
Grievances, Your Lordship.
Why are there so many appellants?
So,
Family members.
No appeals are expert persons, subsequently
These are
they are all are the
legal heirs,
Legal heirs.
sons,
In the year 2005, the
son and daughter.
yes, Lordship. Original Lordship, the one appeal Lordship. The Biswajit Koikia Lordship. So the case 46 is clear.
During the pendency of the appeal, he died.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
During the pendency of the appeal,
Yes, Lordship.
cause of action survives.
Yes, Lordship. So, Supreme Court can appeal. The legal heirs can proceed this proceedings, Lordship. The or this is the Supreme Court can Lordship, clear defined Lordship. The Sudha Srivastava Lordship, 1996. 95 Lordship. The survived Lordship. The well settled. That's what time?
Original appellant is Biswa Saikia.
Yes, Lordship.
What was your claim in the writ petition?
My grievance is Lordship. So there are other 6% Lordship, they have entitled to all promotional benefits Lordship in the year of 1994 Lordship. The promotional dated Lordship 29/8/1998 Lordship. So other 6 employee has promotional benefit Lordship. So why not the appellant Lordship? So this is my grievance Lordship. So Lordship kindly find your case 46 Lordship is a clear defined Lordship. So around I put is clear defined initial definition also. Case 46 is the second number paragraph. And that last 5 Lordship.
Look, you see,
Second paragraph Lordship. Very close.
no, don't read. We'll ask you the question instead. See, you come to page 35. This is the prayer made in the writ petition. You are seeking a direction for giving promotion to the post of sub-inspector with effect from the date when a next junior was promoted,
Yes, Lordship.
with all financial benefit in terms of the order dated 22/9/2003.
Yes, Lordship. That's why I have to.
And just a minute. And order dated 18/8/2009. There are 2 writ petitions. Who are these petitioners here?
Lordship, with respect, Lordship. So order dated 22/9/2003 Lordship.
Yes.
That's reflect Lordship. So that the petition and you find Lordship the case 46. That's why I'm referring to this particular paragraph Lordship. So in the case of the judgment Lordship.
Whose case was that? Similarly situated person.
No Lordship, the appellant has filed Lordship.
Appellant has filed.
Yes, Lordship. Just one moment.
Okay, you are the petitioner in these 2 cases also.
Yes, Lordship.
5922.
Can you clarify Lordship the page number 46 Lordship? The internal is
No, just a minute.
or judgment dated 22/9/2003 Lordship. It's for a moment Lordship.
No, please be clear about the thing, okay? Don't just be engrossed with your case. We want to know who is the petitioner in this WPC 5922. And
So,
43.
yeah, Lordship. It is the original appellant Lordship. The subsequently in the year of 2005 Lordship, when the expert Lordship, the substitute the all legal heirs Lordship.
The original appellant filed 2 writ petitions.
Yes.
Three writ petitions.
Yes. So first writ petition Lordship, kindly find Lordship the page
The-
45 Lordship. Initially Lordship, the CR number 837/2003. 2004 Lordship. Civil appeal Lordship.
Page.
Page 45 Lordship, sir. The Honorable Justice D. Vishwas, has passed added Lordship. civil appeal lordship, PS 45 lordship. Judgment that we did 9 to
No, before this, there was another judgment.
also the legitimate parties. The installment lordship, 95 lordship, the legal part.
On the field.
Right. This is 2008 also. Only total is by 1.3. See, both is one. 2008, not 18. Should be 8. We'll come back in 5 minutes.
Yes.
The council, I think you should get the information. Either you or the government side about what has happened to the other 6 persons. Hmm?
That is what you feel probably the 10% the one who was directed to the
Who appeared that time? Who had appeared?
idea.
GA, somebody appear.
Now, 16.
Today, who's appearing for the government? Yes, you are the government advocate?
Yes, boss.
Do you have any instruction regarding this?
As regard the six,
Yes.
in fact, on the first day when the court have ordered us to come up with an information, so we have checked, we didn't find any such information or records to place it before the court. Accordingly, on the next subsequent day, the court have directed the petitioner to place.
The department proceedings first. So the employee under the department option. That's why on the 7 number employee was there. At the time they terminated all employees. But during this promotional lordship, so other 6 person entitled. So why not the appeal lordship? So this is the Article 14 final lordship.
No, just a minute.
Supreme Court have lordship.
Just a minute. Mr. Government Advocate,
Yes.
you said you got the instructions. But what was the instruction that you have?
These instructions, as such, I have gone through and I have just provided one copy of. So instruction,
The status of the 6 employees.
the status of the six employee doesn't say anything as regard that, because it says only after that order which has been passed in WPC 4331/2008. And the punishment and also the amount which has been hold, that has been released, that has been reflected in this instruction. But as regard the 6 employees status, it doesn't speak anything.
Why don't you get the instruction then?
I can make a second try because the first attempt failed.
Grant you some more time to get the
Yes.
instruction because petitioner will not be in a position, appellant will not be in a position because now
Yes.
legal heirs are there. They don't know who is who. Wife and children are there. I mean, the sons, I think, the sons and daughters. When can we have it?
Let it be after the vacation.
The vacation. Your good name, please?
As board.
S. Borwa.
Board.
S. Borwa, learned governor.
Government.
Appearing for the state respondents, which that. We need some more time to get the status of the other 6 employees whose services had also been terminated. But their termination orders were set aside subsequently. Mr. Your good name?
RC Das.
Mr. R.C. Das, learned counsel appears for the appellate. Appellates. Next, by review of this matter again. On 297. Just read the order, please. Not stop, but they set aside. Set aside. As was reflected. In the order dated 8/12. That much.
Here can be instruction. But I can substitute. After
Which will give a date.
yes. Mas Article the Article 14 is clear defined notion. The similar serious person ought to be entitled to motion.
Even you can say promotion because it's a currency of the
Penalty.
penalty. Now, once there is a promotion list and you have penalty, that promotion will be considered on the next occasion. By the time the next occasion came, you were already retired.
So one penalty already imposed motion, but civil not is the higher penalty. Second time motion, immediately got it. Penalty is given motion.
Here in July.
In July.
And if some relief was granted, despite that, whether you can claim for such a negative equality. If wrongly given, you cannot say also you should also be given wrongly. If rightly given, yes, but if wrongly given, you cannot get the benefit. Anyway,
Despite the lack of motion, possible.
Yes.
Timing 35.
Well, it's my senior, Mr. Arjidas, is on his legs. In course 16, I apologize.
You're having a marathon.
16 marathon.
Those are not my instructions. My instructions are that I request for a passover for the time.
I think I have some other case also.
Okay, we have another date then.
16 marathon, Tuesday.
16. There's some urgency,
Yes.
Mr. Chaudhary.
Let it go after the vacation, ma'am.
Hmm?
If not today, after the vacation.
No, my lord, custody, I was otherwise ready, my lord. But only because. This is 16, my lord, let us see, my lord.
As paid for by the parties, list the matter.
I'm not paying lordship for the appellant or.
As paid for by the learned council. Both.
As per on behalf of Mr. Arjidas. I also not take it. Not possible.
No, then we'll not say anything. List again on 16. List the matter on 16th of
Yeah.
June 2026 for you.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we are asked to bring some instruction. There's some more time maybe given, Your Lordship, in this matter.
What instruction?
Your Lordship,
Whether my absorption is interdepartmental and whether my pension benefits will be curtailed, that instruction they have to take, as per order, it is 2011-2025. Whether that wipe out my entire past service, that instruction they should take. 2011-2025.
How much time you require?
Your Lordship, 8 weeks time, also.
8.
Long, my lord, a person is going to be retired, I think, by the end of this year. So immediately after vacation, 25/11/2025, the order was passed, 2011. It's already 7 months, After vacation,
We'll list after the vacation.
the fixed date, can you begin?
You have listed what?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Just get Quad running as soon as you have. Facebook, another 8 weeks time to the instructions. Terms of order dated 2011.
RM Decca.
RM Decca, Learned Council for the definite for the applicants of it's that. The petitioner does not have much service left. Therefore, matter may be that. And therefore, a shorter time may be granted. That's a very. Back to the list. 121. Learned additionally, percent of those by the.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
48.
Several times, my lord. But I forgot. But here, my lord, we are. He said so that who is not. I am for. I can put it right. Oh, sorry, 43 minutes. I'm 43.
You're 43.
3 equivalent. 3 equivalent.
I'm for 45 and 46%. We can, we proceed in the matter to the options. They proceed, see the option.
It will take time. It will take because there are lots of other.
Whole day, yeah.
Full day night, sir. Half day is done. Half day is- Whole day is something. And the bench is rising at 4 o'clock. But the rest is up to lordship.
What is this, the conviction under?
Yes. 302 mile.
30.
Yes. And your worship will find in this case. Clearly, my lord, still witnesses, my lord, EW 20. And defense witness 6. Mainly it was based on 5, 6, your worship, 5, 6, 11, 12, and 15. That is the evidence of 5, 6, 11, and 6, 12, and 15. My lord. Now, you prepare your worship, my contribution.
IA is for suspension.
IA for suspension, my lord. Like the two things, my lord, today, if you want to take over the IA, that also can be done. For hearing, that also I'm telling you.
The hearing may be done, lordship, because the paper book is there, lordship, and the same thing will be heard 2 times. So so better to take the hearing at one go only, lordship.
You have it some other day. Got it.
It was one day, so the arguments is there, like,
Because some time constraint is there, that's why.
worship, my lord, one day, your worship is still, I think, till tomorrow.
Tomorrow only.
Tomorrow, Kali.
Today we're rising early. Tomorrow, the last meeting.
I beat your worship, and one of the things about the is coming again and again, my lord. For this round, that reason my court will take up. If your worship, my some difficulty, my lord, that will be on 19 in that case, my lord.
19.
19, because earlier one 16, my lord, 19 last day, my lord, hearing day. If they are, otherwise, I'm ready, I'm not taking time back.
What's the situation? Like,
But then lordship immediately after vacation. Last week of.
Again and again, if you see that, well, we have some duty to the clients also, my lord.
So we have it on. What is 14 or 16? July.
July.
On reopening we'll have it.
July.
20?
On the hearing,
14 or 15 July.
14 or 16, whichever day.
It will be, my lord, last part of this month, my lord, any day before vacation. My lord. Let us see, my lord, if it is not come, then we will see, my lord. Just, my lord, for the satisfaction of time, any day before the vacation.
1 week before the vacation would be a motion week.
So, my lord,
So it'll be difficult to dig up this back.
the regular bench will be there from next week.
Few matters have been already lined up.
Well, I'm trying to watch subject only also. Let us try, my lord, let it be in the list for, my lord. If it is not possible, nothing, my lord, we can force the court to take up. It is up to the court.
But they have it on 18 then.
What?
18. 18.
18/6.
Friday.
19 last day कौन सा memo बोलते हैं?
Last one was 27.
Oh, 19 last day ना? हाँ ठीक है sir, 19 है. 19 दिन.
19.
19. All right. This be matter on 19.
26 month.
19th of June 2026. Okay.
रोमियो तो अपने को मंडे को 19.
Lordship, I'm sorry, before your lordship takes up item 49, can your lordship take up item 50, some issue as regards service? So matter would not be, may not be possible to take up today. I've got a service report, man, a POXO matter.
Okay. Just a minute. Notice has been served.
On 2/6.
Then what about the,
Nobody has been appointed. Today I have brought the service report.
please write, Miss, we have London additional cooking. Submits that. Notice has been served from the respondent number 2, bracketing format. And in support of our submission, she has produced a copy of the letter sent by the in charge of
Horbrook Police Station.
Sorbog Police Station. This is therefore accepted to be complete. Subsequent no one appears for respondent number 2. We appoint Dr. B.L. Gogoi as the amicus curiae to appear to assist the court and to appear on for respondent number 2. Registry shall furnish him a copy of the paper within 2 days, and thereafter list the matter after the summer vacation on a date of announcement. Yes.
I think 49 also it has come up for hearing, but one IA is pending. If my lord can recall, this matter was listed 4-5 days back. One IA came up, which is IA 577, which was filed for taking additional evidence, my lord. So IA 577 may kindly be taken first. My lord. Even on the last occasion, my lord, copy was also served. Oh.
Lordship, I missed this item. Some issues, your lordship, he raised on the last occasion.
You want to recall PW?
Yes, yes. Lordship, can it be taken up on some other day? I have to see the legal
What's the pay
aspect.
for the amicus?
Please.
In
there.
Barua, is
He is in another court, it seems.
so what do you want?
Lordship, on this issue, whether at this stage your lordship may please to recall it, that aspect I have to need to examine your lordship. Can it be after the vacation then?
Your case was that he had made allegations.
Another, yes.
Prior to my FIR method, we
had
can have
another
another FIR against another accused person.
of an incident of the same date.
Same date,
Same date.
same day. But I am alleged to have committed an offense on a particular date. On that day, the victim goes to the police station and lodges FIR against another person, man. On that very day.
Maybe after the FIR, they might have been.
But nothing as such was mentioned in the FIR.
You want to say that you cannot be in 2 places at one time? The victim.
No allegation against him. And it seems there allegation against another person. So he wants, want to, yes. পক্সৰে নেকি?
Right, we proceed some other day then.
Actually, today I had a matter, hearing matter in another court, which was adjourned, my lord. That's why I returned the brief to my office yesterday. I could not see it, my lord.
Well, most of it be right, well, it's not- This again also.
What is the
It
next?
is
step?
different. 30.
30 July.
Date given.
Oh, lordship, 30th date sentence has been fixed. Reference has been fixed before the court number 1. Can it be some other day? পার্টির আগত দিলেও কথা নাই।
If possible.
নাই ফালি আছে 26 ক্যালেন্ডার ক্যালেন্ডার দিবা না কি নো ক্যালেন্ডার ডিসেম্বর ও নো জুলাই
You have
জুলাই
given 30 July, no?
Look at it.
Oh. When will it be possible?
28
28?
20
Make it 28.
20 your lordship
28.
28
28 July.
Okay. Date given.